Now we are going to practice the past tense some more. Mettez les verbes au passé. So we are going to make the verbs in the past tense. So you know how to do it. Try to do it along with me. Le mois dernier, Hélène, and the verb is partir. Now this verb, does it take avoir or être? It takes être, and Hélène is third person singular. So we write the être conjugation for third person singular is a. Hélène, a, plus the past participle of this verb. You know the past participle of partir is parti. Now, if you remember, when we use être conjugation as auxiliary, we need to make sure that the verb agrees with the subject. Now, the subject is feminine, so we add an e. Hélène est partie. The next sentence, elle mettre ses affaires. Now, the verb mettre. Does it take être or avoir? It takes avoir. So, the avoir conjugation for elle is a. And the past participle of mettre is me. Elle a mis ses affaires. The next sentence, elle, the verb is prendre le train pour Paris. So now, the verb prendre. Does it take être or avoir? It takes avoir. So, elle a. And the past participle of prendre is pris. Elle a pris le train pour Paris. The next sentence, alors, je, the verb is comprendre. Now this verb also takes avoir conjugation and the subject here is je. So the avoir conjugation for je is ai, je, and the past participle of comprendre is compris. Alors, j'ai compris. And now the next sentence, je, the verb is apprendre à vivre sans elle. So now, this verb again, it takes avoir and the subject is je. So, je. And for apprendre, the past participle is appris. Appris. So, now if you notice, we were able to do this exercise a little bit faster. So, all you have to do is look at the verb, see if it takes avoir or être, put the avoir or être conjugation followed by the past participle. When we put être conjugation, we have to make sure there is an agreement. So, as you keep doing these kind of exercises with tense, you will be able to do it faster, and hence when you try to speak, you won't have this problem.